Hi everyone, this is my dance Skipinnish to the song Alive by a Scottish folk group called Skipinnish. We don't do many dances to Scottish songs or Scottish music, so I'm taking this opportunity now. 32 counts, 4 walls, improve a level, remember the tag, end of walls 2 and 5. Alright, good luck. Fucking pain in the arse. Okay, hi everyone, I'm Willie Brown. This is my dance Skipinnish. Skip-in-ish, all one word, Skipinnish, to a song called Alive by a Scottish group with the name of Skipinnish. That's where the name of the dance comes from. It's 32 counts, 4 wall, improve a level. Remember the tag happens at the end of wall 2 and the end of wall 5. Keep going at the end, pivot to the front, take your applause at the end. Alright, good luck. Remember, it's a long intro. It's like a full minute. So you can do what you want for this first part. Have a quick practice if you like.
It may not seem tomorrow, but today the earth is ours.
So you live every day to the fullest. That's basically what it's saying.
In the hands of higher powers. And now we bear the blessings when golden stars align. Give the grace and all the wonder.
Now listen to this part. This is the chorus. Listen to the chorus. So this is still the chorus. This is walls 2 and 5. And we're listening for the instrumental section. Here it comes. So that'll be your tag, 2 and 5, alright? Good luck everyone, here we go. Pointing right, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the chorus. Are we ready? Here's the tag to the right. 1 and 2. To the left. Yay! Chorus again. Are you listening? Here comes tag to the right, to the left. Woo! Now keep going, keep going. rocking chair pivot to the... Yes! And you get a round of applause at the end as well. Doesn't get any better than that, does it? Yay! So, thanks everyone!